Hello, hello, hello. I'm serving movement teacher chic today. That's the vibe of the outfit. Also, this is my grandmother's. Isn't this pretty? Okay. So, first off, beans. Yes, we're making ourselves an afternoon snack, and I'm not talking about me. We're making some hummus. I know, so exciting. So like, hummus is just one of those foods that I kind of forgot about during quarantine. Like, we didn't get it in our groceries and that kind of stuff. But we have tons of cans of chickpeas. So, garbanzo beans, whichever you call them. Which ones do you call them? Do you call them chickpeas or do you call them garbanzo beans? I feel like that would be a very good social experiment. Anywho, here we are. We got a bowl of beans, and I'm going to try to turn them into hummus. That is the goal. I found a recipe that takes one 15-ounce can. Let me check it. Yep, one 15-ounce can. One 15-ounce can. I was gonna do 2, and then I poured it out, and I was like,
oh, this is actually kind of a lot.
So we're just gonna stick with 1. And we're gonna use my magic bullet thing, but I also have this potato masher. It's kind of like brass knuckles, but I feel like you could slap someone with these. Slap knuckles? Yeah, anywho, we have this. What I'm thinking, you're supposed to put the beans, let me check. Beans, the garlic, which we're using garlic powder, lemon juice, and oil, and put it in the blender until it's smooth. Add little bits of water if you need to, and then you're supposed to add the salt. So I think we might have to add the garlic powder when we add the salt, I think. But I also think that we're gonna have to kind of do this in tiny little bits. That's my guesstimate. So I'm gonna scoop some of these in here just so we can start to blend it and see how well it's gonna blend it. This is an experiment. I'm hoping it goes well. Okay, also I'm very tired, so words are gonna probably be hard. But see, like, maybe I can add a little bit more. I don't know, we're gonna go with this. Ready? It's gonna be loud, so I'm gonna skip over it. Okay, that actually kind of mashed it. Okay, cool. I have hope for this. Yeah, cool. Okay, so maybe they're soft enough that we can just throw them all in here. Okay, so 1 15-ounce can of garbanzo beans. I'll also be able to tell if 1 can fits or if there's potentially room for 2 cans. So that 2 cans, you know, like the bird. Oh, I don't know why that's so funny. Okay, oh, I'm almost tearing up. I'm just a tiny bit tired. We're just, I didn't spill any on the counter. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, I definitely could have fit 2 cans in there. That is good to know. I'm just following the ingredients list though this time. So I also have my super long spoon in case we need to like jab it in there. Now what am I doing? Who am I? Where am I? What am I doing? 2 tablespoons of lemon. That's a lot of lemon juice. 2 tablespoons? This is half a tablespoon. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm already not following the rules. Are you recording? Oh, thank goodness. You're recording. But yeah, I'm gonna just do 2 of this, and then we'll decide if it needs more zest. Wow, that was impressive. And then we'll get 1 more whoop, whoop, just for fun. My knee is itchy. Oh, also, I skinned my elbows and they're almost healed from doing forearm planks. This is an almost weekly thing that happens to me. I don't know. Okay, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. See, now I love olive oil, so I have no issue with using that much. But this is half, so I would need 6 of these. I'm thinking about adding, not to the whole thing, but like when I dish out some for myself. How many was that? You'll tell me if that was the right number. Rusty, I'm trying to film. Anywho, I don't know if that was 6, might have been 5. I feel like it's a lot. Okay. What do we do now? That's it. Okay, let's close her back up. I feel like I was saying something. If I was saying something, editing Pauline can complete the thought here. I'll give her time to write it. Yeah, That. I still don't remember what I was talking about. Okay. Ooh, that actually looks like a hummusy texture. Okay, right now, she's thick, chunky hummus. We're gonna add a splash of water. What was I talking about that I just completely forgot? Splash. I'm gonna try to scoop it down and stir it manually. Oh, do you like my haircut? It's kind of doing a funny thing today. It's only like 70 degrees out. Isn't that weird? Monday it was 90, and now it's Friday when I'm filming this and it's 70. Michigan, am I right? That seems stirred. Also, I love chickpeas. Yesterday I actually just took the can that we had opened in the fridge, poured some in my hand and just ate them like they were candy. Yeah, I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna add the the garlic powder and the salt while we're at it. Oh, I was talking about hot sauce. This is half a tablespoon. I feel like this is too large. So I need a 1/4 teaspoon, but like I have a half a teaspoon, so I just filled it up halfway. I'm too lazy to go get the 1/4 teaspoon. But I want to put a tiny bit of hot sauce like on my portion of the hummus because I feel like that would be delicious. Let's close this up, give it another mix. That is so sick. I am going to taste test it. I feel like I could use a dash more of the lemon, salt, and garlic powder. Yeah, because we all know me, I do not follow the instructions that closely, and I have only the cooking experience that you have seen on this channel. In fact, yes. Okay, oh, I have to wash off my spoon now. I'll be right back. Clean spoon. If this works, I'm gonna be making hummus very often. I will just sit and eat hummus with a spoon. Is that weird? I think I'm gonna mix it one more time. And then we're gonna do the real taste test with a pita chip. Go to the bottom. Okay, it is time. Ah. Oh, it smells so good. Pita chips. Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna set those down. I'm gonna scoop off of the sharp razor blades. Nice amount. Okay, now that's hummus. And that's some good hummus. Very simple, very delicious. Give me more hummus. Give me. I told you I would just eat it with a spoon. I gotta get this clean somehow anyway. Definitely gonna have to let this soak. That's like good hummus. That's the kind of hummus that if you brought it to the party, I would just sit there with my baby carrots and eat the entire bucket of it. Like no self-control. Okay, I've got a knife. For a second there, I thought I put the camera over there and I like straight up was just kind of looking in the wrong direction. I swear I'm okay. Ooh, let me get my hot sauce before I forget. Oh, do you like our new fridge? It works. Hot sauce in hand. I'm gonna scoop some out for myself. Ooh, I didn't even have to use the potato masher. Throwing some hot sauce on there. I'm so excited. I think it was smart to just kind of feel out the ingredients. Okay, here it is with hot sauce.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Okay, yep, that's how you do it. You put a tiny bit of hot sauce on it. So good. That was like, I think the quickest recipe I've done yet. I don't even think I'm gonna make a thumbnail this time. I think the thumbnail is me holding it up like Simba in The Lion King. That's the thumbnail. It gets better with every bite. I have to end this video so that I, as always, can inhale more food, as well as share the food with my mother and sister. This is so good. Imagine all the food I can put this on. I already put chickpeas in everything. I put chickpeas in my egg white omelets in the morning. I love chickpeas. Okay, if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up if you feel like it. Comment down below other food I should cook. I would literally try to cook basically anything. I love food. Subscribe so you don't miss my next video. I post them every Sunday around noon Eastern time, unless I get busy and my editing goes over and like uploading takes time. You know what I mean. And yeah, follow me on the Instagrams. If you make hummus and put hot sauce on it, like my genius brain thought of doing, tag me in it. I will applaud you and be like, that was delicious. And you'll be like, I know. You're welcome. Thank you. And yeah, I'm gonna eat more hummus now and chill out. I need to calm down. Okay, yep, that's the video. Okay, I'm gonna go now, eat more. Bye. Yep. Okay. I don't know what you're still doing here. I'm just eating my hummus like a good noodle. I'm a good noodle. Bye.